COVID-19 is a virus that spread around through air and touch without knowing. It is because this virus is invisible through human eyes. During this COVID-19 pandemic, all the people have been advised to stay at home. Besides that, they should reduce the contact between each other in order to avoid the spreading of this virus. The Health Minister also suggested that all people should wash their hands frequently after doing any activity inside their house, as one of the ways to reduce the spreading of the virus. Not only at home, they should also practice this habit outside their house. Due to that, this is why the simple contactless water tap with soap dispenser are needed in every places.
So this is the block diagram in this project. This contactless water tap with soap dispenser system. Input consists is a PRR sensor and ultrasonic sensor. The input then communicate the measure parameter to the Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, which interact with the data and then export it to the output. The hobby gear motor and micro server serve as output here. Flowchart for the water dispenser. Start and then the sense of hand using PRR sensor, and then is the hand presented detected. If yes, the water will exit and the water will stop, the process will end. If the hand doesn't present, the process will go back to the sense of hand using PRR sensor. That's all. And for the soap dispenser, the process will start and then sense distance of hand using ultrasonic sensor. The distance that we're using is more than 30. So if yes, the soap will dispense. If no, the process go back to the sense the distance of the hand using ultrasonic sensor, and the process end.
The connection, we use Arduino Uno L293D. Next, positive power supply, connect to output buzzer, all ground L293D, Arduino ground, ultrasonic sensor ground, micro servo ground, and Arduino Uno ground. While negative power supply, connect to L293D VS, VSS, and enable 3-4, PIR motion sensor ground, micro servo positive 5V, ultrasonic sensor VCC, and Arduino Uno 5V. Next, PIR motion sensor connect with Arduino Uno, micro servo PWM connected with B4 Arduino Uno, ultrasonic sensor connect with Arduino Uno, buzzer ground connect with Arduino Uno B5. And also hobby gear motor connect with L293D.
This is circuit diagram for water tap with soap dispenser. PIR sensor as the input for water tap, while ultrasonic sensor as the input for soap dispenser. This is our coding to run the water tap with soap dispenser system.
This is the real drawing of simple contactless water tap with soap dispenser.
By referring to the circuit shown before, it has been constructed by using Tinkercad where an Arduino acts as a controller. This system overall has a power supply which is battery of 9V. In this simple contactless water tap with soap dispenser, There are two parts that can be explained. First is for the contactless water tap. The sensor that being used is PIR motion sensor, while the Hobby gear motor is used to control the speed of the water tap. With electricity supply, the sensor can detect an object, like a hand, opposite the basin tap. The time set for the water to run out is 20 seconds. After that, the buzzer will make a sound as a sign that the time is over and will simultaneously stop the water from running. Second is for the contactless soap dispenser. After the water stops running, the ultrasonic sensor will detect the distance of the hand or object being placed. Then, the micro servo motor will control the hand distance and direction for the soap to come out following the reading given by the PIR motion sensor through Arduino.
To sum up everything that has been stated, this simple contactless water tap with soap dispensers are needed to be developed and used worldwide. It's easy to use other than reducing the number of water waste. Plus, it can also reduce the contact between person with the water tap and also with the soap dispenser. Due to this, it can further ourselves from the virus COVID-19.